What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I get this new hair color with 4 simple box dyes. So if you want to see how I transform my hair, then just keep on watching. So as you can tell from the title, today we are doing a, what is it called in salon, like a color correction. My son is in here, so you're gonna hear him, whatever. So I'm gonna start off by taking this weave out of my head. Yes, this is a weave. I'm gonna turn it back into a wig. That way I can just pop it on and pop it off, because I really do love this hair on me. Like, I love a nice black, and I can always braid up my hair and throw it on. So it's not like it's going anywhere. It's just gonna be a wig instead of a weave, because I don't know, I just can't do weaves no more. Ever since like I started my natural hair journey, I just can't do it. Like I just can't do it. So I'm gonna take this hair out, and underneath this I dyed the front of my hair black to match it, you know, in case I needed a little leave out. And under this, my hair is kind of like a pink color. Let me see if I can show you. You can kind of see right here. It's kind of like this pink color. So I bought color oops to take those colors out, which should be easy because they're both semi-permanent colors, not permanent colors. But I did pick up, oh, he messed up my whole frame. Anyway, I did pick up these permanent colors. So I bought number 4 ultra light natural blonde in a Revlon color silk. All of these are Revlon color silk, by the way. I got 71 golden blonde, 20 in dark brown black, so it can transition from my root to the middle shaft of my hair. And then I got this one as well, light golden brown, to do, both of these will be used in the middle of my hair to give it like more dimension and to make it more of a transition, easier transition. It's gonna be cute, y'all. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a whole look. Okay, so I watched a couple, I watched a couple videos, and there was one video in particular that showed me how to do lowlights, highlights, and how to use these two to get dimension in between. And since my hair is already blonde, I don't need to bleach my hair, which is why I got the 2 boxes of blonde dye, so that my hair will stay blonde and not necessarily like turn, because my hair, like, it loves being yellow. It loves being yellow and brassy, and I ain't got time for that because it's really the perfect shade of blonde. So I got these 2 to do like different highlights throughout my hair. So like one section will be this color, one section will be this color, and that way there's like a million different colors going on, but it looks good. Y'all gonna see. And if it don't, you'll just never see this video. So you'll just see me right back in this black wig, okay? And I said what I said, and that's on period. All right, I'm trying to be a cosmetologist without the degree. So without further ado, I'm gonna take this hair out, and we're gonna get the color oops on, and I'm gonna come back once my hair has removed all that pigment, so we can get started. All right, y'all, I forgot to come back down here after I took the hair out to show you the color of my hair, but my hair was like a rose gold kind of pink color, and I used the color oops, and this is how my hair came out. So it got all the pink out, but the part that I dyed black to match the leave out, or my leave out, is green. So I did a little Googling, and I know that red cancels out green, so I'm gonna be putting some ketchup on my green part. I have Olaplex in my hair right now, so I'm gonna put some ketchup on my hair when I rinse this out and see if it cancels the color. A little DIY. All right, y'all, I'm here giving you a quick little update. The lighting is probably crazy, whatever. I'm trying to currently get this green out of my hair, and a trick that I saw online was to add red to my hair. So I did put ketchup in my hair, and I'm letting it sit for 30 minutes. And honestly, it did cancel some of the green on the sides, but this green right here and some in the back, it's just sticking around for the stick around. So I'm actually going to use my purple shampoo, and I read online that this will probably just turn the hair brown, which I'm okay with because I am going to be doing that anyway. So just to give y'all a little heads up, I am using 4 colors. I can't remember if I showed y'all already, but these 2 will be used for depth in my hair to, you know, give it dimension. And then these two blondes I will be using just at the tips of my hair to kind of do like, not at the tips, but like on certain parts of my hair to do a highlight and kind of give it like a balayage effect that I originally had that I really liked on my hair. So I watched a good video on this, so I'll probably repeating stuff from earlier, but I just want to make sure y'all are, you know, totally clued in on the process. So if I come back with a brown spot right here, just know I had to use the purple shampoo. All right y'all, this whole process is not gonna be pretty. Number one, my son is in the room. I can't help it. It is what it is. But this is my hair. For the most part, it's dry. It's not like 100% dry. At least I don't think. Maybe it is. I blow dried it, you know, just waving it. I didn't brush it down or anything because I want to see where my curls fall on my head, baby, so that I can put the highlights exactly where I want them to frame my face. So with that being said, my hair is still blue. Okay, well, it was green before, but now it's blue, but it's like a light baby blue. So we're just gonna see how that plays out. If anything, I'll just wear my hair down until it like decides to go away and you can't even tell, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna mix up my bottles and show you guys how I labeled them, because you do need to label your bottles because you got probably more than 2 boxes on your table, all right? So I'm gonna get to mixing and labeling, sectioning, and we're gonna get started. I got my aluminum foil. I'm gonna cut it up beforehand so I'm not like trying to do it. And, oh, I'm gonna get started. All right, y'all, my beauty room slash storage room is all the way jacked up. I got all the hair dye bottles right here. Like, I got my ring light right here. Like, it is literally a hot mess in here. But I do have oil, all the foils on my head, and it's looking promising. Like, this is already dark. I mean, I don't know what the other foils are looking like, but I'm a little bit scared to wash it out. Like, what if my hair fall out, deadass? Because I've been doing a whole lot to my hair. I've been really going through it. I got a couple minutes before I'm supposed to wash it out. And then it says to leave this on for 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna do a hydrating mask. I really want to do a protein treatment, but I did that before I did them braids a week ago, so pray for me.
I knew I'd find your bitch ass out here. I knew it.
Look at him. Stay talking shit.
I knew it.
No, don't hide. All right, y'all. It's like a day later, and I'm sorry I didn't get back here, you know, quick or whatever. But this is how the hair color came out. So if you see, it's like a balayage of like the gold, the golden undertone. So this one is the gold, I believe. This is the light brown, and then the brown, the dark brown. And then this is the ultra blonde, and I'm really loving the ultra blonde on my hair, and I have not had to like tone my hair or anything. So that's why I use that ultra blonde on my hair, because I just couldn't keep up with the purple shampoo and having to keep buying toner. Like, that was doing entirely too much. But I did do this twist out on my hair, and I don't know if y'all know, but twist outs don't always work for me because my hair is so fine. So when I do a twist out and then I sleep on my hair, the hair gets squished and it looks weird like this. But I do have a lot of like defined chunks, so it's like, it's a mixed bag when it comes to my hair. But I'm about to separate these. Well, they're already separated, but it needs to be separated a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that, fluff it. And the products that I used to achieve this actually was the Melanin Hair Care. I used the, y'all, I'm almost out, and I'm lightweight sad because this stuff is really like the bomb. But I used this, her twisting butter. This stuff is bomb. And I used my Camille Rose green tea oil to close my cuticles, and it's definitely still very moisturized, obviously, and has a lot of shine to it. I did do a hot oil treatment before that because my hair was like going through it after I dyed it, but like, look at my hair, it has so much dimension and the different layers and whatnot. So I know it looks crazy right now, y'all, but the color came out successfully, and I really love my hair now. I just need to style it, so I'm about to do that. and then come back once my makeup is done and the hair is finished. Y'all, this is the final look. My son is in the room, so you're gonna hear stuff in the background. But this is how my hair came out. I am absolutely, oh, let me take this pen out. I'm trying to keep these bangs down. I am absolutely in love with the color. I think the browns really give it some dimension, and my hair is still very much healthy. So after I dyed my hair, I did a bentonite clay treatment mask and a protein treatment because y'all, for a minute there, I thought I burnt out the back of my hair because it was this part. I'm not even, okay, this section of my hair, it was bone straight, and I was like sick. Like when I tell you I was sick, I was sick. I had to take that. This is why, sorry y'all, this is why it took me a few days to make this video, because like the day when it happened, I was sick and I was like, my whole life is over. But it's not, because after I did the bentonite clay treatment mask and the protein mask, my hair curled right back up. So if you're ever in doubt dyeing your hair and you think you messed up your curl pattern, do those two things and look at him, and you'll be able to bring your curl pattern back. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Kate and Wayne, if you're new, obviously I'd love to have you back here. Join our little fan band we got going and pick up on these hair tips and tricks. I know I didn't record me actually doing my hair for you guys, but I'll link the video below that I followed to get this hair color, and just go over and check her video out. It has a lot of information. Y'all, he be hating when I be talking, but this is my room, okay? I don't know what to tell you, son. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next banger. Bye, guys.